Anushka, I'm going to show you M&M server. We actually have the real M&Ms. Okay, so this is how it works. The Wheel Max car will go down this incline plane over to another Wheel Max car with a marble in it. And I pulled this lever up so that the marble can go down into this cup, which hits the dominoes, and that's silly putty. It looks a bit like blue tape. And so it hits this flat, which will knock down the and onto the plate. And you can eat it after. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Yeah, because every time someone watches, it doesn't work. It's shy. It's just shy.
You want to set it up again?
So what do you think they'd make it work better?
That's how it's supposed to work.
What do you think the problem is?
It's either the dominoes or it's this because it's too big. The marbles it can cut through and just end up here and not really doing anything. Yeah.
You can think about how much energy you need to make that happen. Maybe if you had this up higher, it could be faster.